love me do something, oh. Who will love me do something, oh.
Oh, will love me do something, yeah.
Why you do face like one? You know, you want...
Who they go?
Who they go? Yeah, who they go?
Yeah,
start with... God will help you. Yeah, start me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this particular guy who I get right now, he don't come on this show before, and last time when he come here, he saying they go out there to go do some more work, and this one be like more. This one be more like come and show your results. Start that kind of level, yeah, start. So, ladies and gentlemen, make can help me make welcome Big Mo in the building. That's so. Big Mo. Correct. All black hair thing.
All day, man.
I say, what's up now? What's your black P? You never joined things, so.
Join us. They want to join that.
Because these days, now, anytime I wear black, people always ask me, because it's one of my favorites.
Yeah, now one of my favorite colors, too.
True, like, serious.
I feel wear black for like 4 years straight.
Yeah, no, nobody girls, you know.
But men no go begin reasoning you.
Yeah, reason say things not the B.
Yeah.
Big one for now.
I do, bad man.
Now, last time you come here, been telling me say some your video and some kind of things on the works and everything, underground P. That's you don't add join, no.
I be small.
Yeah.
I've been the lose weight.
Easy, look, see Big Mo.
You don't
chop up. When I show us where this money day, you know they do this kind of time.
We thank God, man. We thank God.
That's the. We thank God. So you know, say sometimes get a person go take the fat. Na sickness. Sometimes I'm swelling up.
They don't help you, so you don't make them.
So you don't make them. The people no one can help you. So just be very, very cautious of it. Because you also say, man, okay, I just need some kind things for you. They'll say, man, guy, forget you, all right. You get me? So your video now, man, which particular video you go shoot come, so?
Born since 1990, where I feature Banky W, Dami Crane, and Uzi Tabuliga. And a bank even shoot and direct.
I won't come there because I'm not saying don't go do in filming, directing things. So now, okay, we'll go see the video. Okay, sharply. I want to talk about the video, then we'll not to get, because himself has to run, go do some kind of thing. So we'll see the video quickly, and then we'll come back and do the remaining gist with Big Mo. All right, Big Mo. Nice one. Collect her. That video clean finish. You show say you don't go do your assignments very, very well. Your homework, you don't go do them well.
I tell you.
So now Banky, now direct this video.
Yeah, so.
That's me. Yeah, Banky, nice one. I got to call him for some kind of directing things.
Based on tradition.
Based on who are big.
And based on the Gaza too, because the Gaza.
Hey, I won't come there because I know saying a cutting head.
The Gaza gas to fall out.
Because based on the kind texture of the video, what I see just now, not be saying just carry one small thing, go the record up and down. At all. Easy, want to ask one question.
Where they shoot the video?
The video.
Wow.
For Lagos, for Jacaranda Casino, and this. Get one picture they Koje.
For Koje side there.
Yeah.
That's how it's a bit that for people like me when they play football. But come, when I go see all those Igbe there.
That was smart. They're everywhere now.
You all line up. I can't see Tolu for there. I can't say, what if Tolu one play?
Now I'm in the pray now. This kind of father, let's win this match. And the good, me no go play with those kind of men.
Because when I just see I can't wait me they all rick one person.
I want me there, huh?
Maybe they all rick one guy leg. They also went in your tumble upside down, your break neck. I for say why share Big Moon and finish the video. But okay, so you don't launch the video now, and I'm there everywhere right now for people to the view and all that. So if people won't get the video and put those people who also want maybe.
It did YouTube,
you don't top YouTube,
my YouTube page, and then from time to like from this week, it go down there like almost every TV station.
Okay. So your YouTube page now waiting.
Official Big Mo. Wait, my YouTube page.
You say your
YouTube
page
now. Like if you just go to YouTube, type Balling since 1990 Big Mo. Yeah, you did.
Balling since 1990.
I tell you.
Yeah, 1990.
So they go know every. What's happened for 1990?
You know me say man, at that time they born. Men don't old. Just music.
Now I want to ask us. I say, what's happened for 1990? Come on, but. Big Mo. The more you mention that 1990, I can't feel like it's be ancient of days.
No, for real,
easy.
To be night father, not be beans.
To be night father, not be joke.
Not be beans.
Now based on if I want to retrace things.
You get picky.
No, picking them out land.
Like 1 or 2.
No, can they join with I can they think now? Say come, I say, but don't drop by now. Judging by the facts, some kind of things.
Yeah,
but anyway. So Big Mo, last time you called me here, we talking about say album and every. What's the P now? What's the latest now?
No, album never ready now. I still get like 1 or 2 singles where I will drop before this year run out. I supposed to drop my EP, but with the way things they go, man, like say I got to focus on some more important stuff. Before, because I don't want to drop EP where things go. Like I don't take my years to build all these things, so I don't just want to drop them like regularly like that. So I got to build some kind of small balls for the brand, you know. Okay. Put them out there, make boys feel them.
All right, that's very, very important. I'd like a person to know what thing they do. Not be say, yeah, I just can't do because everybody they do. You understand? Tomorrow now, October 1st, how far? What's be the thing where you go talk as Nigerian where you be? What you love the most about this beautiful country called Nigeria?
No worry, Nigeria no be small place. So. Nigeria big guy. I always tell my guys, say, man, Nigeria, I know they see Nigeria as Africa, part of Africa. We're supposed to get our own content.
On our own.
We don't really even behave like Africans, like them Zimbabwe, them South African, they get the African trait.
Me no be like say we cast them.
Nigeria, our Nigerian trait, we just get so, and then, so tomorrow, I just stay independent, behave independent.
Because I behave independent.
Let me say behave anyhow.
So we all go do anyhow.
Behave independent.
So go drive drunk now. I say I'm independent. So we go to sell market now.
When I've been still there, like my jazz high school level, like because it's before music, I've been to play basketball. Like I've been to play basketball even for state level. So I've been the dream of going to go Yankee because when we don't watch ESPN too much, we don't the reason I want to go ball for college or that too much, man. Now, as I did, I know they even bother themselves to think of travel or whatever because I believe, say, man, the dream there, if you achieve the dream, if people like them, Whiskey, all these other boys, they come on, they do big things. Man.
And they do it here, I mean, if they do it here, so what's it make you run?
They themselves, they run, come back.
Exactly, at the end of the day.
You work on there, you want to make it come back, meet you can't chance you.
I mean, so nobody, if you make it here, you go make it anywhere, like they always talk. You understand? So, Big Mo.
Bad man.
Anyhow. Social media, how do they follow you reach?
Official Big Mo _ man.
Okay.
Twitter and Instagram, same thing. Man.
Okay. Yeah. All right, so not all hear from Big Mo.
When this camera, they make men fresh.
Make you happy. You say you like yourself as you see yourself just now.
I tell you, man.
Anyway, Big Mo, thank you very much. Say you come on top of the show. We know so you got to run now. So one way, anyhow. Other videos go follow for back and we'll also bring you come back here. We'll do some kind of things. All right.
Bless, man.
Correct hand. All right, so don't go anywhere. The show still continues. We still get our very own guys inside the building. 2 stylists, 1 guy, 1 babe. You know, they're just falling here. Ninja, you know, people young, they're never even old. They make things happen for the full country. All right, so we kind of enter the show and all of us go yarn styling. Why it is very, very important. Say you must always, you know, take care of your looks and every. Not go anywhere. They come back and still late night show with your boy Ogballs, baby. Easy. Take it away. Hey.
Now, who's hot, who not? Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores. You tell me who flop, who cop the blue drop.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.